Okay, hi everyone, my name is Jorge Anguren and I am the lucky one who is going to explain this exercise. Okay, first of all, I would like to apologize because well, English is not my native language, so I am doing my best. Okay, so we're going to solve exercise number 8 in chapter number 7. And this exercise we're supposed to prepare a bank reconciliation for Cullumber Company. Okay, the first thing that we need to be aware of is okay, so the name of the company, the type of document that we're preparing, the bank reconciliation, the date, 31 July of year 2017. Okay, and we have here the following information, a list of 6 type of transactions that we will use in order to prepare the bank reconciliation. Okay, so the first thing is the cash balance per bank statement. We have here the amount is 7,988. So we write down the value, and then we need to add deposits in transit. Okay, so we have deposit in transit of 3,360. We write it down, and we need to add those values. We need to make an addition, and if you can see, the result is 11,348. Okay, with that value we need to make a subtraction of the outstanding checks. We have here the value of $701. We subtracted that value, and then we have the just cash balance per bank. It's 10,647. Okay, then we need to prepare a just cash balance per book. Okay, so for doing that we need to look the cash balance per book, and it's in number 3. We have $8,024. We write it down the value, and we'll add electronic funds and transfer receive. Okay, we have the value here, 2,676. Okay, we write it down, and we make an addition. We sum those values, and the result is 10,700. And then we need to subtract the bank service charge. Okay, July bank service charge, not recorded by the depositor, $53. Okay, and then we write it down the value, $53, and the result is the adjust cash balance per book. It's 10,647. Okay, we can see it's the same with adjust cash balance per bank. So this means that we did it the bank reconciliation correctly. Okay, and the second part of the exercise is we need to journalize the adjusting entries from the date July 1 on the books of Cullumber Company. Okay, here said that create account titles are automatically indented when amount is entered. Do not indent them manually. Okay, so in the left column we have the date. It's the same in this case. The account title and explanation, and we have debit and credit. Okay, for the first adjusting entry, you said that to record electronic funds transfer received by bank. Okay, and okay, it's 2,676. It says the bank, okay, through electronic fund transfer. Okay, the collection has not been recorded by Cullumber Company. Okay, we're making the adjusting entries. So we increase cash account by debit 2,676, and we decrease account receivable by crediting 2,676. Okay, in this case we make that entry, The second one is the bank service charge. Okay, we need to record an expense. July bank service charge not recorded by the depositor, $53. Okay, so in this case, we need to recognize that expense by debiting $53, and we need to decrease cash because we are paying that expense. We are giving our cash to a customer in this case, so we need to decrease cash account. So that's the reason we are crediting $53. Okay, and that's the exercise 8 with level submission A and B. So I hope this could be helpful for you. Thanks.